Hello everyone, today we are continuing to talk about Scratch game making concepts, and today we are going to talk about sounds. This is another one of the most fun thing in Scratch. So the first one is play sound and play sound until done and stop all sounds. So play sound is just the sound plays for some time and that's it. Play sound until done. Whatever happens, the sound plays until it is done. So it's basically the same thing. Stop all sounds is, for example, if you make a command like play the sound forever, and you can stop it by clicking stop all sounds. Yeah, something like this. I know it sounds weird, but yeah. Okay, so another one is play drum. Those are different types of drums. There are 18 of them. For example, open hi-hat. And yeah, those are the beats. You can, for example, choose 5 beats. It basically depicts the speed. So we need the forever block again. So it basically sounds like this. Yeah, if you choose one beat, it's gonna be faster. And you can go like crazy. Yeah. My computer is slow enough for that speed. So yeah. And this block is basically rest for some beats. So you play it for 25 beats and then you rest and then you play again. This is mainly used with repeats and forever. This is mainly used with repeats. If you want to play drum, for example, 10 times, and then you rest, and then you play another drum for 10 times. Something like that. Play note. It's just you choose a note, a random one, middle C, and 2 octaves. For example, this, and you play it. You can again do it forever, and it's gonna be like happy note. Yeah. Set instrument. So those two blocks go together, and the instrument is going to. There are 21 instruments. Yeah. For example, if I choose choir, the note is gonna sound like that. Okay. And if you choose choir, it's gonna actually sound like that. Something like this, yeah. So those two blocks go together. Change volume, that's pretty obvious. So you use it like this. Yeah. It was a little bit slow. So base and set volume is the same, the change volume, but if you want to set it to a certain amount. And this is the variable volume. Change tempo. This is not that useful. So it's basically tempo means the time of a beat. So for example, if you change tempo by 20, one beat is going to get faster. Something like that. I don't know why is it used, but yeah, something like this. And this is the variable tempo. Let's look a little bit more at the plain sound button. So as the costumes, there are sounds, and you can record a sound, or you can choose a sound from a sound library. Again, there are like tons of different sounds, and you can choose one. For example, you can listen to it right here. For example, clapping. You listen to it, you like that sound, you choose it in the library, and you can now play it along with a meow. And you can choose like different combinations of it. Yeah. So that's basically it with sounds. Thank you and goodbye.